Most small YouTubers are not losing views because their videos are bad. They're losing views because nobody clicks. And the first thing people judge is not your editing, your script, or your voiceover. It's your thumbnail. If the thumbnail does not stop the scroll, the video is already dead. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use Design AI to create clickable AI thumbnails faster with a clear subject, strong emotion, readable text, and a consistent branded style. I'll also show you how I use a male character reference, so my avatar stays consistent across different thumbnails. First, open Design AI. Log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click New Project. Choose 16:9 format because that is the correct size for YouTube thumbnails. Then go to the chat editor. This is where we'll build the thumbnail using references, prompts, and clear creative direction. Now this part is important. Don't just type, "Make me a YouTube thumbnail." That's how you get random results. If you want a thumbnail that actually looks clickable, you need to guide the AI properly. And for this workflow, I follow 5 parts. Part 1, the main subject. Part 2, the emotion. Part 3, the layout. Part 4, the text. Part 5, the branding and final polish. By the way, I'm Alex. And if you want all my AI workflows, prompt packs, and tools like this, you can join our AI creator community. Links in the description. Let's dive in. Part 1, the main subject. The main subject is the first thing people should notice. For this workflow, I want to use a male avatar, not a random person. And I want that avatar to stay consistent across my thumbnails. So before generating anything, I upload my character reference inside the chat editor. This is the key if you want your thumbnails to feel branded instead of random. The character reference helps Design AI understand the look of the avatar I want to keep using. Same face, same style, same overall identity. So every time I create a new thumbnail, I can still use the same male character as the main visual. Part 2, the emotion. Next is emotion. A thumbnail without emotion usually gets ignored. People click when something makes them feel curious, surprised, excited, or shocked. So for this thumbnail, I want the male avatar to look surprised and excited, like he just discovered a powerful AI thumbnail trick. The face needs to be expressive, wide eyes, strong reaction, clear emotion. Because when the character looks interested, the viewer becomes more interested too. Part 3, the layout. Now let's talk about layout. Even if the image looks good, the thumbnail can still fail if the composition is messy. So I tell Design AI where the main elements should go. For this thumbnail, I want the avatar on the left side. I want a glowing laptop in the center showing AI-generated thumbnail designs. And I want large, bold text on the right side. That layout is simple and easy to understand. Left side, character. Middle, visual proof. Right side, text. This matters because thumbnails are small, especially on mobile. If the viewer can't understand the thumbnail in 1 second, it's too complicated. Part 4, the text. Now the text. Thumbnail text should be short, not a full sentence, not the whole video title, just a few strong words that create curiosity. For this example, I'll use AI did this. It's short, clear, and curiosity-driven. Then I make sure the text is bold, readable, and easy to see even when the thumbnail is small. The title explains the video. The thumbnail creates the click. So they should work together, not repeat each other. Part 5, branding and final polish. Now for the final polish, I keep the design consistent with my brand colors. For this thumbnail style, I'll use electric blue for the AI glow and tech elements, bright yellow for highlights and attention, white for the main text, and a dark navy to electric blue gradient background. The gradient background makes the thumbnail feel more modern and gives it that AI tech look without making the design too busy. So the goal is not just to make one good thumbnail, the goal is to create a style I can repeat. Same male avatar, same 3D animated look, same bold text style, same electric blue, yellow, white, and gradient background branding. That's how the thumbnails start looking like they belong to one channel. Generating the thumbnail. Now that the project is ready, I'll type my prompt in the chat editor. I'm not going to overcomplicate it. The prompt basically tells Design AI 5 things. Use my uploaded male character reference. Keep him in a 3D animated style. Place him on the left with a strong, surprised expression. Use a clickable layout with the laptop in the center and bold text on the right. And keep my branding consistent with electric blue, bright yellow, white, and a dark blue gradient background. I'll put the exact prompt on screen so you can pause and copy it. Then I hit generate. Now the goal is not to get the perfect thumbnail in one try. The goal is to get a strong first version, review it, then improve it. Once the thumbnail appears, I check a few things. Can I understand it in 1 second? Is the avatar clear? Is the emotion strong? Is the text readable? Is the background clean? Does it make me curious? If yes, good. If not, I adjust it. If the expression is too weak, I ask Design AI to make the avatar more surprised. If the background is too busy, I ask it to simplify the background. If the text is too small, I ask it to make the text bigger and easier to read. That's the workflow. Generate, review, improve, repeat. So if you're using AI for thumbnails, don't just generate and hope. Be intentional with your input. That's the difference between an AI image and a thumbnail that actually gets clicks. And if you want to know the full workflow, the exact prompt, and how I structure my thumbnails step by step, join our community. I'll share the prompt, the setup, and the breakdown there so you can try it with your own character reference. Click the link in the description and join us inside the community. And if you want to see how I turn one video idea into a full title, script, and thumbnail concept, watch this video next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.